Yeah, hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about an assessment which is given by Xenon Stack for the round two. So here I have made this node application. So at the starting, this is a landing page, and here we have this owl carousel implemented with like this beautiful slider, and then we have this FAQ section in which we have all the questions regarding the company may be there, and then we have this testimonial section in which I've used a swiper slider to make this slider, and then we have just the footer. So this is the landing page, and these pages which are locked marked over here, so these would be only accessible when a person is logged in. So that was done by the use of middlewares. Yeah, so we'll click on services. It will automatically redirect us onto the login page. See, it says please log in to access the other pages of the website. So we'll register a new user. So let's suppose I just create test user and test@gmail.com, and let's enter a password. Okay, so here also I've used flash messages. So if I just enter different passwords, so it will tell me that your passwords doesn't match, so you should enter the same one. So let's enter the same one. Okay, so it will successfully register now, and these credentials would be stored in the MongoDB database, which is present over here. So if we just go on to the users, so the last user we have over here is this test, and test at the gmail.com, which is created successfully. And now we will be moving on to the login part, and we'll just put the email over here which we just signed up for, and the password would be that I just created. And let's log in now. So here we are using the passport.js in order to make the authentications. The session based authentication is used over here. Okay, so now as you can see, the logged icons are removed from here, and it is given as the username as well. The username which is stored in the session, so that is being fetched over here, and it says welcome test. So yeah, so this is again that home page which is being accessed by all of the users, so there will be no restriction on this. But let's move on to the services section, in which we'll be having the services provided by the company, and these are secured. And then this is the work page. So here it's the filtering of the works we have done. This is all done using jQuery, and there's a footer around here again. And in the team section, yeah, it's only the one because just created in one day. So yeah, it's my profile over here, and then it's a contact us section. So this is interesting. See, over here we can put the user info, like someone wants to contact, and he can put his info over here, and this form's data would be stored in the mongodb itself. Also, he'll be getting a success message. So let's try that. Let's write down like hello test message. Okay, let's click on send message, and it will show up the success message as well. Okay, so it says thanks for reaching out to them. Okay, we'll be connecting soon. Okay, so I just mistookly written this Xenon stack over here. And okay, now let's check out in the database, like is that thing is that message we have in the database or not. So in the context form, we can see, okay, hello test message. So it's being over here. Yeah, so with the name, email, and the message, so the data is stored in the database. Yeah, wonderful. So now we can log out as well, and the session will be deleted from the database. and we'll be moving out on the home page again, where we have all the other pages as logged, as you can see. So yeah, this was the implementation of the authentication system, as well as like it's they are responsive as well. So yeah, let's check their responsiveness also. That was the second part. Like, see, as you can see, if we just check on the iPhone SC, so it's looking really nice on the mobile itself also, because we have used Bootstrap over here, like this. And this is the nav bar. And if we move on to the services section, uh, see, okay, it needs the authentication. Okay, we'll just give it. Okay, let's move on to the services. Yeah, so we have services also really well maintained. Then our work. Okay, here also, as you can see, that filtering is also working perfectly on the mobile view as well. Okay, so team section is there. So this will also be like, yeah, a card itself. And the contact us form is also working there in the mobile itself. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Now we can log out from here. Wonderful. So the login and logout forms are also they're responsive, as we have seen. Yeah, so this was the project I made in like one day itself. So yeah, it was really great doing this. And yeah, and this is a GitHub repository I've created and worked on it. So this is a README created with all the setup details, like how we can set up it on the local. Yeah. And yeah, I'll be glad to hear the suggestions, and if someone wants to contribute on this, yeah, definitely. I'll be glad to see the suggestions. Yeah, so thanks for listening, and yeah, till then, bye.